Imagine a dish so rich and luscious that it commands your full attention from the first bite. Welcome to the world of the Francesinha, a sandwich hailing from Porto, Portugal. Bread, wet-cured ham, linguiça, fresh sausage, steak or roast meat, layered and lavished with melted cheese, and a hot, thick tomato and beer sauce. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, the sauce's richness enveloping you, the comforting warmth of the dish soothing your soul. The Francesinha, a culinary masterpiece that keeps you coming back for more. Nestled in the heart of Braga stands a beacon for food lovers, the Taberna Belga. Born from a modest dream, this culinary haven has grown into an iconic food destination. Its story is intertwined with the Francesinha, a dish that has become a symbol of the restaurant's commitment to authentic Portuguese cuisine. The tale of Taberna Belga begins with a simple idea: to create a space where people could experience the richness of Portuguese food culture. As it grew, the Francesinha, a hearty sandwich layered with local meats and smothered in a secret sauce, became its signature dish. This wasn't by chance, but a deliberate homage to the region's culinary traditions. The Francesinha at Taberna Belga is more than just a meal. Each ingredient is a piece of the region, a testament to the importance of local produce in Portuguese cuisine. And so, Taberna Belga has become more than a restaurant. It's a celebration of Portugal's vibrant food culture. Taberna Belga, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Portugal. A visit to Taberna Belga is more than just a meal. It's an experience that indulges all your senses. Picture this. The moment you step into the restaurant, you're greeted by the warm, inviting smiles of the staff, setting the tone for a delightful culinary journey ahead. The atmosphere is a harmonious blend of rustic charm and contemporary style, a pleasing balance that reflects in their food as well. Taberna Belga prides itself on delivering an unparalleled dining experience. The staff, with their ever-present smiles and attentive service, play a pivotal role in this. Their knowledge of the menu is extensive, guiding you through a world of flavors with the ease of a seasoned traveler. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the food. The Francesinha, a gastronomical wonder, is complemented beautifully by the restaurant's exhaustive beer selection. The beers, sourced from all around the globe, are carefully chosen to enhance the flavors of this iconic dish. But it's not just about the Francesinha. The menu at Taberna Belga is a carefully curated symphony of flavors, each dish singing its own unique tune. From the succulent seafood to the robust meat dishes, everything is prepared with an attention to detail that is nothing short of remarkable. At Taberna Belga, every meal is a journey, a celebration of flavors that leaves an indelible mark on your palate. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure?